guys, paano nga ba natin to ma-open itong meme coins? So, kailangan ko siya nung June 17, 18, and 18, 2024 for the combo. And then, ito, first, open natin to. X for the level 5. Na requirements niya. Okay, level 3 na. Level 4. Go ahead, then level 5 to open the influencers. This is my PR team. Then, open na siya. Okay. Then, sa markets na tayo. Tignan natin yung meme coins. Hindi pa siya naka-open dyan. Ulit tayo sa PR team. Then, for the influencer, go ahead to level up yung to level up yung need na required para ma-open yung meme coins. Yan, level 4. Level 5. Okay. Level 6. Okay, level 7. Level 8. Level 9. Finally, level 10. Okay, na-complete na natin yung level. Okay, go ahead. Open na yung meme coins. Ayan, take the price. And then, the combo was completed na for the June 17-18.